So the benefit of meditation, mainly, I think there's a twofold. One is to tame one's own mind. That means our mind is very easy to get addicted to thinking, addicted to different specific feelings, addicted to different specific emotions. So many different kinds of addictions that we get caught up our mind. And also mind gets very unstable, ungrounded, uncentered in our life all the time in this modern lifestyle. So meditation helps us to protect from them and ground deeper in oneself so that there is less harming to one's own body and the soul. So that is more in a how you say, conventional sense of benefit of meditation will be really like taming one's mind and finding some sense of peace in our everyday life, so that when we find some sense of peace in our everyday life, we'll able to feel more clear, see more clear, and think more clear, and act more clearly. And that's why I think meditation is very, very helpful. Everyday life, very helpful. Second important part of the benefit of the meditation, in many higher level of spiritual development, it's considered as calm abiding, or the being calm in one's mind is the fundamental, is the key to higher realization of self. So that without meditation, there is no way to achieve that higher realization. So bottom line is meditation helps to really like work with the everyday life more peacefully, and also and gradually higher spiritual development, higher self-realization requires also a meditation, development of meditation. So these are the two, I would say, principles of benefit of meditation. And probably for most of us, generally will be interested in a meditation. It's really like not going crazy, basically. So many times people are going not crazy in that sense, but not psychologically well enough, not able to handle their pain, not able to handle their sadness, not able to handle their stress, not able to handle whatever the circumstances, situation there is. It's very difficult for people to handle it. So meditation helps to anybody to stabilize their mind and help benefit themselves. So that is the main purpose of meditation.